Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Hope you all are enjoying the readings. Do leave a comment on how you feel the readings are. So let's start with what is in cards today, what Ganesha is going to say today. Positive outlook. That's a beautiful card which has come. Next one, steadfastness. So I see a lot of growth and prosperity. Today I feel the color has to be red. So work on red color so that you'll feel more energies around you. Also today, if you have any Ganesha temple near you, then offer in the temple some bananas and just tell the priest to offer it to Ganpati and don't bring it back. Let it be in the temple itself so that he is happy and he blesses you in multitude and in abundance. Also, you can chant 108 times Om Gam Ganapati Namaha so that the obstacles which you are facing they go and you feel happiness and prosperity coming in your life. So let's see, the first card which has come is positive outlook. So whenever positive outlook comes, basically Ganesha says that your mind is your influencer. You need to decide how you want the day to be and your day will be the way you want. You can conquer, you can rule the world if you decide to rule the world. So today Ganesha is asking you to be positive and you to work towards your positivity and work in such a way that you are able to be successful and handle the day the way you want. Steadfastness is also, instead of just move forward. Whatever is the circumstances, don't sit back and don't look back, because Ganesha teaches everything. Sometimes certain things come in our life for certain reasons, but we should not step back. You should just move forward and resolve it. So I also feel there is a change happening because I see the elephant moving forward and the Ganesha looking at the back. So maybe there are certain changes, transformations coming in your personal life, in your professional life, but you don't have to worry about it, because end of the day he is going to take care of you and he is going to bless you with abundance. All you need to do is have faith in him and just keep moving forward, and I'm sure the progress or the change in personal and professional life are going to bring good changes and good positivity. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.